through. Oh, God.
Why is he sitting with me?
Ah, Jesus. What's goes with them hands? Oh, geez. Oh, look at that. Oh, Mama. Look at that. Oh, you're missing a picture. Look at that. Oh, gee. She's talking to the dog. Put it close to the dog there and see a nice picture. He won't bite.
No, he won't. Do we touch the doggy?
He loves
We
it.
touch the dog? We touch the dog?
You might kiss her if she is too close, but...
Don't pull.
Don't pull the ears. Don't pull.
Man, he won't bother. He's used to that. I pull his ears every day for exercise.
Why did you get excited? Oh, look at that. Oh,
See, I told you.
Look
Watch you go for your nose.
Look at the cute.
He's a nose guy. That's why I was thinking he's a little weird dog. Weird.
There you go, Stash. Now look, another nose.
Yeah, I'll go there. Maybe I get some other ears.
Yeah.